Kurt. Brief and direct in a way that seems rude, unfriendly, or impatient. The receptionist gave a curt reply and hung up the phone. His curt response made everyone uncomfortable. She apologized for being curt after a stressful day. Curt comes from the Latin curtus, meaning shortened or cut short. Unlike succinct, which is usually positive, curt almost always suggests rudeness or impatience.